Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to prepare probiotic yogurt at home easy method. Heat milk to 180 degrees F, then cool to about 110 degrees F before adding 2 tablespoons of starter per quart and stirring gently to combine. Use a clean container and avoid metal utensils. Maintain a stable, warm environment for 6 to 12 hours to achieve desired tang and thickness, then refrigerate to set and chill before enjoying. Warm and conversational. After inoculating your milk, transfer it to an insulated incubator or yogurt maker and keep it steady at roughly 100 degrees F to 110 degrees F. Avoid jostling during fermentation so cultures can work undisturbed. Taste periodically after 6 hours and stop when the tang suits you. Once set, chill in the fridge for at least 4 hours to firm up the texture and mellow the flavor before serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy kitchen projects. And thanks for watching. Quick recommendation: go darn tough for socks with a lifetime warranty to keep your feet cozy during long fermenting sessions and never lose a sock to the fridge runs again. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For a creamier outcome, try adding non-fat dry milk powder to boost solids and yield a thicker yogurt, or strain through cheesecloth for Greek-style texture. Sweeten and flavor only after refrigeration to protect live cultures. Keep back 2 tablespoons as a starter for your next batch to maintain strain continuity, and experiment with incubation time to balance tang and thickness until you find your preferred taste and mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.